So, good morning. It's Friday, the 31st of January. So, January has gone so quickly. And I'm just doing a video today on the reopening of Clough Park. It's been closed now for probably 6 weeks due to the tornado that come through Kidsgrove and tore the trees down. And I have heard that earlier on, I think it was either Monday or Tuesday, that the park did reopen. So I'm going to walk down here now and have a look if that is the case, and then we'll probably just have a quick look in the park as well of what's gone on there. Very cold this morning. Let's have a look what it is. It's 2 degrees at the moment. So not very warm. My hands are very, very cold. And here's the park gate. And yes, it's open. So let's go in the park and have a quick look. And you can see here where a lot of the trees have been cut down. I'm also doing an Insta 360 film here as well. So we'll have a look at that. And as you can see there, look, this is where they have been cutting the trees down. I don't know why it's been closed for such a good while. That does seem very, very strange. But let's go and have a look at it now. We're just walking past this area here where the toilets and everything are. I'm just coming round here now, and you can see in a lot of places where the trees have been cut. Really nice park, Clough Park is. And I bet people really, really have missed it not being open. Let's carry on. You can see here on the grass where the diggers and everything have had to go up there. And this is the area here where all the trees, I think, were blown down, and they've cut a lot of the trees down. I'm going to say this again, I can't tell you how cold it is. My hands are absolutely perishing. This is like a basketball area. You can go in that cage there and play basketball. It's making my nose run, it's that cold. Another tree been cut down there. This is somewhere I haven't walked for a good while. I didn't realise there was actually, I think, tennis courts here as well, look, in the park. That's pretty remarkable. I have walked around here, but it's a good while ago, and I can't really remember all these. And like I say, there's the tennis courts. Absolutely amazing. But again, here, look, they've had to cut trees down. Coming now to the car park, and as you can see here on the car park, they've had to cut another massive tree down, and that does look like it has damaged all the fencing there again. Take a look at that, and take a look at the tree. And I'd say this tree here, they have had to cut a lot of the big branches off the top of it. So I don't know whether they actually broke off and blew off, or whether they've cut them afterwards. That's an interesting question. And the sawdust absolutely everywhere here. Look where they've been cutting the trees and everything down. And the bowling green does look to be in quite a bit of a mess. Doesn't look like you could bowl really very good on there at all. So again, let's carry on. Let's carry on round here. And this is where we come and park the car when we come to the fireworks. Look at where they've rode all the trucks and everything here on the grass. They've made a right mess of it. Another big tree been cut down there. As you can see, and it looks in front of me like they've remade the bridge over this little bit of a stream here. I think that fell down back at the end of last year, and there's a lot of trees here that don't seem to have been touched. But yeah, definitely remade that there over this spectacular bridge which goes over the stream. Looks amazing. I don't know what these are here. These are different and I think pretty new. I haven't seen them here before. So if anybody can tell me what that's all about, drop me a comment. So let's carry on and have a look round here. We're walking through all these amazing trees here. They do look really, really good. And another thing there. So it's like a little stream that runs through here. It is pretty amazing. And this is the other end of the park. Take a look at that. And I think the rain is trying to come on again now, so I think we'll have to start heading back and get towards the car. So it's only been a very short video today, and I've done the very short video really probably just to try and show you the reopening of Clough Park today. Can't think, can you, all this area is where they have the Clough bonfire and the fireworks go off, and they have all the wakes and everything here. Looks completely different on the bonfire night. So close to the houses here as well. I suppose some of the houses have actually got a gate into the park, so I suppose they've been able to get in. What I can't understand is why the council have kept it closed so long, because when I've done my previous videos on the tornado and we've looked in the park, you can see that they've cut all the trees down before. But like I say, the park's been shut for a really, really good 6 weeks. And it's a lovely, lovely area. People must have really, really missed not being able to come into Clough Park to, you know, relax, chill out, walk the dogs. We've got a tree just in front of me here by these houses. That must have been dangerous, so I'll show you in a second. They must have removed that one. And that's just here. So as I get closer, we'll put the camera on it and show you where it was. And there you go. And there's a dog barking there as well, so that's where they've actually cut that tree down. I'm absolutely frozen to the bone. I can't just tell you how cold I am. So let's head back to the car. And we're coming now to the entrance of the park. And at the entrance of the park here, we've got park stores, and that's park stores there that you can see the back of. So like I say, it's a lovely, lovely park. I've enjoyed my walk. And I hope you've enjoyed the video here today. And we're coming now to the park entrance, where we'll leave and go back to the car. So I think I will just have a quick walk down now to the church and just see if there is any updates or what's happened there. So we're coming now down to this devastated area here, and let's have a look at the devastated area here, what's gone on, what's happened, and what they're doing. And this is First Avenue. So still a mess. There's still branches and everything here. It looks like they've done a lot more cleaning up, I would say. There's a lot more cleaning up definitely been done there. Look at all this lot here. All been thrown in a pile there. And the church has been completely clean now. And let's have a look what they've done there. So it looks like when I did the other video, they were taking all the dangerous structure down, and they've taken little bits of the roof off there, like as well. Hopefully to to make it safe. So if we zoom into the roof, that, like I say there, they have taken all the loose brick off the gable end and everything there, and taken the tiles off, and there is holes in the roof as well, so there must be definitely a lot of water getting in there. And you can see where they've thrown all the rubble and everything down in the courtyard here to the church. Don't know when that's going to be repaired or whether it will ever be repaired, but it is a shame. Let's start heading back up here and have a look. It's still an absolute mess where all the grass verges are all cut up and everything, where all the cars and things have come. I suppose that's where cars are coming and stopping and try and get the logs. And like I say, a lot of the logs now have gone. And they've actually moved the sign there, the school crossing sign. That was lying there for a good while, but that's gone as well. Still a few logs there that people can come and get if they want them. Let's just have a look at that for you there. But no, it's really changed the perspective of Kidsgrove here. It's completely different. So I hope you've enjoyed this video I've done for you today. We are going to end the video here, and if you have, please like, please share, and of course, please subscribe. See you soon.